everyone and wish you a grand 74th Independence Day. I am very glad we could somehow meet, at least in this manner, thanks to technology and its utilization by our alumni. I wish this meeting to be a grand success and we can have one more meet organized by a young team in the last weekend of January 2021, just to keep in touch and the momentum going. Of course, we need to meet for our association AGM in between. I am grateful to all the organizers and the participants, especially those like in Australia who had to burn the midnight oil to make it here. Sorry, it is impossible to schedule the meet to everybody's convenience. Let us pray and come out of this subdued freedom by our next annual meet, wherein we can have the best of both worlds. That is, meet physically while broadcasting it live. Let us continue with the programs, and please point out if I forget to close my video while having dinner, as I don't want you guys to get diverted and tempted as I dig into my dahi puris. Bye. Hey, who is this? My twin brother wants to say bye. Bye.